enthusiasm. First up, our grade 7 students will showcase their strength and coordination with a mesmerizing dumbbells and Kanjara performance. For our young performers, dumbbells are a fun and safe way to introduce strength and training and coordination exercises. These lightweight dumbbells help improve hand-eye coordination, fine motor skills, and overall physical fitness. Along with dumbbells, we have Kanjara, a musical ring that adds a melodic touch to our students' performance. With its distinctive sound, the Kanjara creates a lively and engaging atmosphere, perfect for our celebration. Our students will be using Kanjara to create a captivating rhythm, showcasing their coordination and musicality. Get ready to be impressed by the agility and teamwork of our grade 7 students as they present a thrilling dumbbells and Kanjara display. Let's put our hands together for our grade 7 students.
Objectives of dumbbells: commitment to excellence, champion mindset, live like a champion, outwork, out-hustle your opponent. Kanjara is a South Indian single frame drum with a pair of jingles called bells or zilset with a frame one side. We call it as tambourine. Kanjara is a unique sound that is simultaneously bright and resonant. Kanjira. 1880, it was Matpulya Pillai, was a temple lantern bearer who sought to study drumming. He modified the Kanjira to a frame drum with a single pair of jingles and brought the instrument to classical stage. It was with the physical display. Our students have given their 100% in 15 days. Great round of applause for 7 standard students and the entire physical instructors team who have given their 100% in training them.
Get ready to be amazed by the unique blend of talent, teamwork and creativity and mastery of the lessons. Lesson is a folk of a vigorous physical exercise and drill than a dance. Lesson refers to a small metal disc or plates which create a musical sound when moved, adding to the rhythmic and visual appeal of the performance and rhythms. Using lessons with hands requires coordination and practice to create a harmonious and engaging sound. Our students will create various formations and patterns while playing the lessons, adding a visual element to the performance. Grade 10 students proudly present a patriotic performance using lessons, symbolizing the rhythm of unity and harmony.
चलती शामों ने अकेली रातों चलते झूलों में, बहकते फूलों में, चटकती गलियों में, और पूछा है गाँव की गलियों ने कि घर कब आओगे, कि घर कब आओगे, लिखो कब आओगे, कि तुम बिन गाँव सूना सूना है। घर कब आओगे, घर कब आओगे, लिखो कब आओगे, कि तुम बिन ये घर सूना सूना है।
National flag. This theme aligns with the Indian government's vision to transform nation into a developed country by 2047, the centenary of independence. ये बात हवाओं को भी बताए रखना, रोशनी होगी चिरागों को जलाए रखना, लहू देकर जिसकी हिफाजत वीर जवानों ने की, ऐसे तिरंगे को सदा दिल में बसाए रखना.
And who are present here. Daily exercise is one of the keys to excellent health. Each person must live their life as a model for others. So, today we have our Prep 2 and Grade 1 students to prove their fitness. Fitness is a state of health and well-being, especially the ability to perform aspects of sports, occupations and daily activities. So, here are our young energetic students to prove fitness is always mandatory. Thank you.
Attention! Stand at ease. Attention! Look front everyone. Stand at ease. Attention! 1 to 6 mass PT exercise continues. Begin. Stand at ease. Attention. Stand at ease. Attention. All of you sit down.
Fourth exercise.
All of you get up. Whole group, stand at ease. Attention. Stand at ease. Attention. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Stand at ease. Attention. Whole group, right, about turn.
Boundaries dissolve, music and movement unite. Today, our grade 6 boys embark on a sonic journey, weaving together the electrifying rhythms of Korean music with a dynamic energy of aerobic. Aerobic, a high-energy fitness phenomenon, has taken the world by storm, combining Latin and international rhythms with aerobic exercises. This dynamic dance style not only burns calories but also boosts mood, coordination, and self-expression. Please welcome these young Korean music enthusiasts as they take the stage to dazzle us with their aerobic performance fueled by passion, energy, and fun.
Move to the rhythm. We are not just exercising our bodies, we are exercising our right to a healthier, happier life.
Vai, esse é o DJ CK, hein? Produzindo mais uma no mundo de Nárnia. Ó, é o bicho, hein? Oh, na na na. 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 A maioria das amigas da minha equipe. Olha essa amiga da minha equipe, que doida querendo sentar. Olha essa amiga da minha equipe, que doida querendo Oi, então solta, bate, dá seca. Então solta, não vai. Solta a batida aí.
Mas só que a profissão das minas é...
Abusadamente ela vai batendo, ela vai gritando, ela vai quicando, ela vai batendo, ela vai quicando, ela vai gritando.
Abusadamente ela vem batendo, ela vem quicando, ela vem tremendo, vem batendo, ela vem quicando, ela vem tremendo, e a partir desse momento tá caindo por um.
E a partir desse momento, tá caindo por
Abusadamente.
Abusadamente. Aumenta essa porra aí. É tudo na conta, vai.
É o bicho, hein? Oh, na na na. 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 A maioria das amigas da minha ex-mina olha essa amiga da minha ex-mina que doida querendo sentar. Vai. Oh, olha essa amiga da minha ex-mina que doida querendo sentar. Segurou? É o bicho, hein? Oh, na na na. 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 A maioria das amigas da minha ex-mina olha essa amiga da minha ex-mina que doida querendo sentar. Vai. Oh, olha essa amiga da minha ex-mina que doida querendo sentar. Segurou?
Wow performance here. Great round of applause here.
Experience the fusion of fitness and fun as our grade 8 boys and girls present a thrilling Zumba performance set to the lively beats of Hindi music. Zumba, a unique blend of dance and exercise, has become a global sensation, promoting physical fitness, teamwork, and creativity. As our students take the stage, they will showcase their coordination, rhythm, and enthusiasm, highlighting the joy of movement and music. Let's give a warm welcome to these talented grade 8 performers as they electrify the stage with their Zumba energy blending Bollywood flair with youthful exuberance.
सुधरे हुए कब अब थोड़े
fun for freedom fighters, just as our freedom fighters taught us that the path to independence through challenging could be filled with hope and excitement.
Energetic and synchronized moves of our grade 6 girls as they perform a high-energy aerobics routine to a catchy Korean beat. Adding a touch of elegance and cultural fusion, they will incorporate traditional Japanese fans into their performance, creating stunning formations and patterns that will leave you spellbound. Aerobics is a popular form of exercise and performance that combines rhythmic movement, stretching, and strength training. Here are grade 6 girls with a unique cultural element for lively soundtrack and will surely create a memorable experience.
embody Mahatma Gandhi's wisdom Be the change you wish to see in the world. I repeat here, be the change you wish to see in the world.
Attention! Pyramid position 1. Two. Hands down. One more time. Pyramid position 1. 2. Pyramid number 1 position 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Get back slowly. Get back slowly. 1. 2. Slowly. 3. 3. 4. Slowly. 'Slowly, boys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come slowly. Attention! Pyramid third. 1. Third position 1. 2. 3. 4. 'Slowly. 5. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Get back slowly. Plus, turn it is. Attention. Turn it is. Fourth one position 1. 1 position 1. 2 position 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Get back slowly. Attention. Now fifth one. Fifth one position 1. 1. 2.
1, 2, 3, 4. Attention.
Helps to reduce boredom and risk of injury.
Attention. Yogasana position 1, 2. Now standing prayer. Standing prayer 1, 2, 3. Start.
ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विना वदितमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्ति शान्तिः
Rub your palms. Keep it on the eyes and face. Hands down. Slowly open your eyes. Now standing asana Surya Namaskara. Yogasana position 1, 2. Surya Namaskara. Count wise 1 to 12. 1. Urdhva Namaskarasana. Urdhva Namaskarasana. Number 2. Vipada Astasana. Vipada Astasana. 3. Left leg back. Ekapada Prasaranasana. 4. Vipada Prasaranasana. Look front. Vipada Prasaranasana. 5. Shashankasana. Sit on the leg properly. Shashankasana. 6. Sashtanga Namaskarasana. 7. Bhujangasana. Bhujangasana. 8. Parvatasana. 9. Shashankasana. Sit on the legs properly. 10. Ekapada Astasana. Come front left leg. 11. Vipada Astasana. 12. Surya Namaskarasana. One more time. 1, 2. Slowly. 3. Right leg. 4. 5. Sit on the legs. 6. Sashtanga Namaskarasana. 7. Bhujangasana. 8. Parvatasana. 9. Shashankasana. 10. Ekapada Astasana. 11. Dvipada Astasana. 12. Namaskarasana. Now standing asanas. Third asana position 1. Third asana position 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Get back slowly. Second one, Ardha Chakrasana position. Ardha Chakrasana position 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come back slowly. Third one, Vrikshasana position. Vrikshasana position 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Get back slowly. Change the leg. Vrikshasana position. Change the leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next fourth one, Kukatasana position. Chairasana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Get back slowly. Next one, Trikonasana position. Trikonasana position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come back slowly. Change the leg. Change the leg. Trikonasana position. Change the rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come back slowly. Now sitting asanas. No, last one, sixth one, Hanumanasana. Hanumanasana position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come back slowly. Change the leg. Position. Hanumanasana position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Get back slowly. Stand at ease. Attention. Now sitting asana. All of you sit down. Now Padmasana position. Padmasana position. Sit straight. Sit straight. After Parvatasana position. Parvatasana position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Get back slowly. Next, stretch your legs. Next, Gomukhasana position. Gomukhasana position. A-shape leg. Look front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come back slowly. Stretch your legs. Now Vajrasana position. Sit on the legs. Sit on the legs. Now Shashankasana position. Hold your hands. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come back slowly. Now last one, Ustrasana position. 1, 2, Ustrasana position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come back slowly. Stretch your legs. Stretch your legs. Sleep like this only. Shavasana position. Relax your mind. Relax your body. Sleep. Close your eyes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Raise your right hand. Turn right side. Take left hand support. Engage slowly. Sit properly. Hold your leg. Sit properly. Sit properly. Now sitting prayer. Okay, last one. Sitting prayer. Close your eyes. 2, 3, start.
ॐ सहना योगेन चित्तस्य पदेन वाचं मलं चलीरस्य च वैद्यकेन योपकरोतं प्रवरं मुनीना पताञ्जलिं प्राञ्जलिं प्राणतोऽस्मि ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः.
Slowly open your eyes. Okay, all get up. Stand at ease. Attention.
The country's spirit.
Human potential. Pyramid formation, the iconic structure, has been a source of inspiration for centuries, representing the pinnacle of teamwork, balance, and collective effort. From ancient civilization to modern day sports and performances, the pyramid formation has been a symbol of excellence and achievement. Now, welcome our 9th grade boys and girls and 10th grade boys to showcase their impressive display of pushing the boundaries of what's possible with their inspiring pyramid formation.
Two. 3. 4. 1. 2. 3. 'Stretch your body fast. Yeah. 2. Bend. 3. 4, 5, 7, 8. Stop. 2. 3. 4. 4. 3. 8. Slowly. Ready? Slowly get up. Slowly get up. Slowly back. One more time. Turn round. Class disperse. Okay. Class disperse.
Program, I would hand over in a very respectful manner to Mrs. Geeta ma'am here to take over.
Cultural activities. Cultural activities contribute to the holistic development of the students. Through participating in group dance, students develop confidence, self-expression, and stage presentation. Also develops communication skills, presentation abilities, and learn to work in group. So cultural activities enhances overall development. Now, dance by 3rd standard students for English song. I request Mrs. Fatima ma'am to take over.
Let your life lightly dance on the edge of time, dew on the tip of leaf. With this quote, I would introduce my today's heroes of grade 3, who are here to perform, entertain, and bring smile on your pretty faces. Dancing is like dreaming with your feet. Dance steps are sweets as cake, elegant like a lion. Dance first, think later is the natural order of enthusiastic dance with the props in their hands. Here are our students from grade 3. Put a huge round of applause for them. everyone for your fabulous, fantastic and refreshing dance.
Great round of applause. It was an energetic, dynamic performance. Our second cultural program is dance by 4th standard students for Kannada song. I request Mrs. Anita ma'am to take over.
ಸಂಕೇತ. ಆದರೆ ದ್ವೇಷ ಇವುಗಳನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಚೂರು ಮಾಡುವ ಆಯುಧ. ದ್ವೇಷವನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ದೇಶಪ್ರೇಮ ಬೆಳೆಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ನಮ್ಮ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ, ನಮ್ಮ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ, ನಮ್ಮ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ. ನಮ್ಮ ನಾಡಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ದೇವರಿಗೂ ಪೂಜೆ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೇವೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಧರ್ಮಗಳಿಗೂ ಸ್ಥಾನವಿದೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಜನರಿಗೂ ಹಕ್ಕಿದೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ನಾಡಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಅನಕ್ಷರತೆ ಅಳಿಯಬೇಕು, ಅಸಮಾನತೆ ತೊಲಗಬೇಕು, ಬೆಳೆಗಾರರು ಬೆಲೆ ಕಾಣಬೇಕು, ಕಲೆಗಾರರು ನೆಲೆ ಕಾಣಬೇಕು. ಆಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾರತ ದೇಶ ಸ್ವತಂತ್ರ ಭೂಮಿಯಾಗುತ್ತದೆ ಎಂದು ನೃತ್ಯದ ಮೂಲಕ ತೋರಿಸಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಮ್ಮ 4ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು.
Once again, Bolo Bharat Mata Ki. So this was a great salute to our Kannada region, and we once again salute our motherland. So beautiful program hosted by the entire team. So before we go to the
Louder applause. Wherein their hard work, dedication and determination serve our nation. There are almost 1.4 million soldiers in the Indian Army, which stands as the second largest army in the world. Soldiers are the assets of any country who are ready to sacrifice their lives for the welfare of their nation, putting their lives on stake so their citizens can live peacefully. Today, on this remarkable day, we remember them with a great reverence whose unmatched discipline, intelligence, reputation and love for nation keep us sleep peacefully in our beds. As a saying, brave men rejoice in adversity just as brave soldiers trump in war. I feel that our country's real heroes are our brave soldiers. A band of noble heroes are our army of the dead. I bow down before them and convey my sincere deepest gratitude to all the soldiers of our nation. In honoring these courageous fighters, our students of grade 5 are here today with a soulful performance. Please welcome them with a big round of applause. देश भक्तों से ही देश की शान है, देश भक्तों से ही देश का मान है। हम उस देश के फूल हैं जिस देश का नाम हिंदुस्तान है। जय हिंद, जय कर्नाटका।
अरे माँ बस करो, कितना खिलाओगी?
खा ले बेटा, वैसे भी मेरे हाथ का बना हुआ खाना पूरे साल में एक ही बार तो खाता है।
भैया इस बार 2 राखी बनवा लो, पिछले रक्षाबंधन पे भी नहीं थे आप।
मेरी प्यारी सी बहन को मेरी उम्र लग जाए। अल्ले 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 मेरी प्यारी गुड़िया।
हेलो हेलो कैप्टन, आपकी छुट्टी रद्द की गई है। आपको जल्द से जल्द सरहद पे रिपोर्ट करना होगा।
यस सर, जय हिंद।
अफसोस नहीं जो तेरे लिए सागर से महफूज रहे तेरी आन सदा, चाहे जान मेरी ये रहे न रहे। मेरी ज़मीं महबूब मेरी, मेरी नस नस में तेरा इश्क बहे, फीका न पड़े कभी रंग तेरा जिस्मों से निकल के खून कहे। दुश्मनों ने हमला बोल दिया है।
माँ,
Song selection, it was focused on soldiers' life. We all know soldiers and farmers are backbone of our country. This song was completely focused on life of soldiers. A great salute to the soldiers of our country. Here we have reached the last program of the day, expressing gratitude towards those who are responsible for today's success. I would like to conclude my anchoring with an inspiring quote. May the spirit of patriotism and love for our country lead you towards a brighter future. I call upon Mrs. Fatima ma'am to render a vote of thanks. Thank you. Jai Hind. Vande Mataram.
Chief guest, Chairman sir, Shazia ma'am, Director sir, Principal madam, teachers, parents and students. It is my privilege to propose that vote of thanks to this gathering. Before that, on this independence, we salute our soldiers who defend our nation's honor. On behalf of our school and management, I would like to thank our chief guest, Professor Radhakrishnan sir, who graced the occasion with his presence and guidance. Sir has shared his valuable thoughts and ideas to our students. Thank you, sir. I would like to thank our director, sir, for guiding us. Thank you, sir, for your support. I also thank our principal madam, who has always been a backbone to our success in all our endeavors. Thank you, madam, for inspiring us. Thank you, dear students, for mind-blowing performance and highlighting the patriotism towards our great nation.
We are also grateful to all the parents who are present here. Your encouragement has helped us to organize such an important event. I thank all the teaching and non-teaching staff who have guided and tutored young children towards the success of this event. I thank once again to one and all for the support and encouragement. Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka.
Assemble. Program. Flawless. Thank you all the teachers for your kind cooperation and hard work for making this a successful one. Mind blowing, very flawless. And dear students, tomorrow is Varmahalakshmi Vratam. So happy festival and happy holiday too.